The first step in the integrity cycle is the site survey. We want to survey a spool currently in a system, or a space where a spool needs to go. The site survey for the replacement pipework begins with a preliminary design, which is an approximate representation of what will be replaced. This could be an existing drawing or a reconnaissance sketch that includes tape measurements and flange information. The preliminary design details are entered into the AutoMet system. This creates the framework for the site survey and tells the system what to expect during the survey. In this example, we use two setups to survey one design flange, one tie-in flange, and the support. This will provide AutoMet with all the data required to let us know how to update our design, and then what to fabricate.